channel. So in today's video I really got inspired by a YouTuber's makeup. This is Shani Grimmond and I really got inspired by her makeup, if you can see. Anyways, I'll leave a photo of her. I really got inspired by her look, so I decided to recreate it and use other products. So if you would like to know how I recreated this look, just keep on watching. Today I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and I'm going to take this shade right here on a Bdellium Tools 785 blending brush, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. So now I'm going to take this color right here. It's a very beautiful reddish orange, which is going directly into the crease this time using a smaller blending brush. This is the 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush by Zoeva, and I'm going to put that directly into my crease. So now that is done, I'm going ahead and do a cut crease. I'm going to take my NYX concealer in the shade 02 and I'm going to put that at the back of my hand. Take whatever flat shader brush you have and I'm going to do a cut crease. So now that I did my cut crease, I'm going back in with that same Jaclyn palette. I'm going in with this gorgeous turquoise color right here on another flat shader brush. And I'm going to put this color all over my lid where I did the cut crease. And if you feel like it's not pigmented enough, I would suggest going in with some Fix Plus or some setting spray. Whoa, that's so much better. So now for mascara, I'm going to take this Essence Lush Princess. So now let's move on to the face. I'm taking this NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So right here. So for foundation today, I'm taking this NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation. I'm going to put it all over my face. And I'm going to blend that using my beauty blender. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to take that same NYX concealer and I'm going to put that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin. Now to bake my under eyes, I'm going to take this Rimmel Match Perfection Silk Loose Powder. This is one of my favorites loose powders. It's really good. And it's really affordable as well, so that's a plus. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take this Maybelline Matte Maker matte powder in 10 Classic Ivory, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. So for bronzer, lately I've been loving this palette by Revolution. It has a very nice variety of bronzers, and the one I like is this nudie light bronzy shade right here. and I like to take it on this Morphe Y9 brush. So now for blush, I'm going to take this Zoeva blush palette. It's the Coral Spectrum palette, and let's see. And I'm going to take this shade right here on a Zoeva 27 Luxe Sheer Cheek Brush. If you haven't noticed already, I really like Zoeva. I think their brushes are absolutely amazing. And I also like some of their products as well. Now for highlighter, I'm going to take this sleek palette, and I'm going to take the lighter shade right here on a Morphe 510 brush. That on my Cupid's bow. Now moving back onto the eyes, I'm going to take that same reddish orange color again, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to pop on some lashes. This is what they look like. From the brand Eylurr London. This is the box. So now for lips, I'm going to take this Morphe lipstick in Lovely. It's a very beautiful reddish orange brownish color, and I think it will match the eyes perfectly. Oh yes. Well, last but not least is setting spray. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day setting spray. It's in the scent of watermelon. It smells so good. I really like it. I really like how this look turned out. I think it's very different. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.